Okay, does all season or all weather tires kill EV range? That's the question. So these are actually all weather, so they're actually create more rolling resistance than a normal all season. So this is almost worst case scenario, pretty much like driving around on winter tires. So I've had this car for a year, well, almost a year now. So it had the Eco tires that it came with when the car was purchased. And I have a video, I think my best range was like 69 or something like that. I think I actually got up to 73 miles last year in this warm weather, how it is now. So now after driving with all weather tires on, the mileage definitely has suffered. It has killed the range roughly 10 to 15%. This is one of the higher days. Most of the days have been upper 50s. Since I've been driving the all-weather tires in the warm weather, and this is a full charge. Actually, I drove maybe a quarter mile up the road back, so the highest I've seen I think was like 58.8 or something like that. And so yeah, definitely if you have normal all seasons or definitely like all weather tires, it is gonna definitely hurt your mileage or your EV range. I guess it would hurt mileage too in a normal car driving. So if you're really concerned about your range and want the most range you could get, definitely get eco-minded tires. And keep that in mind if you're in regions where it gets snow or decent amount of snow, those eco tires definitely aren't that great in the snow. That's why I want these all-weather tires. Kids play hockey, travel a lot in the wintertime, and probably seen another video on these tires I have on there. They're amazing in the snow. It helps a ton. So just keep that in mind. Or just get two sets. Get a set of winter tires and then a set of eco tires for the summer. But if you live in a region where it doesn't really snow, I would definitely get eco tires for your EV to get the most out of your range, because they do have a lot less rolling resistance. So yeah, there you have it. You're definitely gonna get less range. Over my year of ownership, after putting these tires on, definitely got less range out of it. So hope you learned something from that, and take it for what it's worth. That's my experience.